Santa, all I want for Christmas is a dove. That's all I want. Or a new, or a Lamborghini or something.
That's a big hit! Yeah! Go get that quarterback!
Now he's really got a scamper. Now he's chased. Now he goes down.
No! Go ahead! Go ahead! Keep the pressure coming, man. That's the best defense we got. Great job.
I'm a team player. I don't want to be an ass, but I need the ball.
Yo, I'm activated. I'm ready.
Ready, we're ready, wake up!
Throw back shoulder left for Gronkowski. Makes a twisting one-handed catch.
Oh, superhuman.
Off his back foot, he throws to the end zone. Cooper Kupp, he has it.
That's a hell of a catch. And getting your feet in.
Throws left side of the end zone. Hopkins with a juggling grab. Does he make it?
Touchdown.
Yes.
He actually backhand tipped it.
1, 2. That's a drag.
Hell of a throw and a catch,
Here's Ryan delivering the football, and it's tipped up in the air and almost intercepted it, maybe. It came down on the back of the defender. It's Marshawn Lattimore who picks it off his teammate's back.
The ball never hit the ground. It landed on him.
The ball just resting on his butt.
On his butt.
It's the butt inception.
I've never seen that before.
Hey, rookie of the year.
Yeah.
Rookie of the year.
Gotta write it down.
Rookie of the year. Get him, Ty. Y'all kill him. They don't want to be out there no more.
Hey, just keep grinding. Keep grinding. Stick to the plan. Everything you want, that's still right there for us. Let's go get it.
Hey, make it miserable. Yeah. Let's make it miserable. Hold your will, man. Get your mind right.
Ready.
Tackle! Tackle!
And he breaks a tackle. Gone. Jakeem Grant, touchdown.
The ball belongs to us, man. Get the ball. You gotta want it.
I want it more. I want it.
Left side, Gurley on the screen, 20. Got him blocked, 25. Into space, 40. Gurley for MVP!
MVP! Why are you so good at football?
Now throws it over the hand. It's intercepted. Touchdown! Seahawks! Justin Coleman picks it up.
One more.
Running with the football and lateraling it back and forth. Finally, it is fumbled. And running in is Derek Morgan for the touchdown!
Merry Christmas, everybody.
When you find a way to come on the road, finish up your road record, 7-1, and win a division, there's only one thing you can say.
We think this one feels good. Next week's gonna feel even better, and we gotta keep it rolling. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. How do we feel about a Christmas Eve victory?